used to work on .NET, and after my marriage, almost I had 7 years break, right?
Mhm.
And so I didn't work on any other technology.
Okay.
I and 2008, 2018, I worked for a school software that is it's completely on support side. It's not even a technology side, right? So if at all, if I am going for an interview, they should know that I should be truthful, right? I should be confident and I should be truthful to them. I should not say that I have worked on these things. I don't want to go into a company faking that I know all these technologies. I don't want to do that. So seriously, I
Let
mean,
me tell you one
yeah.
thing. What if you don't fake, and what if you know all the technologies, and if you go to the interview, will that be good for you?
Yes, yes, exactly what you said. Because without experience, I know that we are not going to get any job offer.
Hmm.
That is the reason from 2018, which I have already an experience in the school software, which I mean, that is also like on testing basis. So I thought of keeping that technology and this regarding this UiPath after learning this RPA technology. So, and at least for at least as a freelancer, if I work, I can keep that project, right? This is the thing what I had because I need to check with the others also. Like this is the reason I am approaching you people so that I will get the guidance. Uh, so after that only I can do anything. So I need some guidance from the people. As of now, I don't have any guidance with any others. I don't know anybody also. So this is my step. This is the first step I am taking now after my career back to prolong it. So let's see how it works. So if you people are going to give me a good guidance so that I can go whatever you people say, like if it is very good for me, so that I'll do whatever it is going to happen. That's the thing.
Sure, Ajita. Hopefully, people who join this team will be your future team members who will be working in the training. So
Hmm.
again, so I'm giving project training, so this will be your team. So people who are joining this current meeting can be your
Hmm.
partner and can be your team member. Someone will be managing you as a team lead, someone will
Hmm.
be guiding you as a team manager. So
Okay.
different roles, different members, everyone should play some role in the training program.
Yeah. Good. Good. Good.
Okay.
Hope for the best.
Yes. Okay. Okay, let's start. I think we have enough members to start the training session. And welcome everyone. Welcome to 100 Days RPA Developer 100 RPA Developer Program for 30 days. So, where I'm trying to enable you, if you are failing in the interviews, that you like that one step that you need to have, that one push that you need to have. Okay, these are the places that I already know, but somehow I'm failing this interview because of RE framework, because of the basics, because of project structuring, because of the project questions that I get asked to, but I don't know because I don't have the experience to answer. Project scenario. So how to deal with that? For example, if there is a scenario that's given, okay, this is any particular use case, and in the scenario based interview, like now all the interviews are most of the interviews right now are scenario based questions, and they will just ask you like, if this is a scenario, then how can you answer? Until and unless you know that scenario and you have a particular understanding of how to work within that scenario and how can you facilitate that in the team. Like you cannot even in the team you cannot work everything on your own. Then you need to rely on someone who need to depend whom you need to depend on complete the things on. So that's what this training is all about. And let's start with the training. So I welcome everyone, each and everyone. And here, let's see about me. Most of you might have known my name, but please try to correct correct the spelling. It's Vajrang, and I'm working as a UiPath architect in one of the IT organization, and I also have my own organization called Vajrang Information Technology Services, where I provide RPA services to different clients. And along with that, I do provide this training program just on a requirement that I have seen the position in the market. Like there are around 100 opportunities. Let's assume that there are 100 opportunities, and for that 100 opportunities, there are only 20 genuine people who exactly know what is RPA and how to work with RPA. Remaining others know about RPA, they completed the initial training, but actual project requirement doesn't is not sufficient of what they have already learned. They need to have the project experience. They need to have the project knowledge. They need to have the project understanding and how to structure that project. So all these concepts is what I took into consideration, because see, you can learn all the basic concepts by seeing in the academy or in the YouTube channels, but what about the projects? Can you work with other team members? You cannot do that in normal environment. So this is the place where you can do that, and I have been doing that for the past few teams, and people are getting excellent results. The main reason you might have checked with this training program is one of the members, someone who got posted with 60% hike or 70% hike. So that was the feedback that I got initially from the members. Initially, so can I get the job offer immediately? It will take time. Some got even during the training session, and some got within a month, and some got within 2 months. The main reason is they already know the basics, but once they get to know how to answer any particular question in any particular scenario, that's when they are going. That's when they are able to crack the interviews. Okay. So just a second. I did get a message. So one of your team member is trying to join, but she was not able to join. So let's just send her a meeting invite, and then let's continue. So just a second. Yeah, sure. Okay. So no more questions. Let's go directly into this program. And I have close to 250 plus videos. And if you want, you can go ahead and check in my channel. That's Automated with UiPath. Recently, I've changed my name. It's been changed. In the beginning, it was UiPath Rocks, and later I changed it to UiPath. By Vajrang Belakurti, later UiPath RPA by Vajrang Belakurti. But now I'm settled with Automated with UiPath. It kind of covers all the concepts. And I won multiple hackathons, and I was a winner of CG 2020 as well. And I'm a speaker at multiple UiPath and RPF firms. Where this is one of the place where I get to know multiple people, and I get to understand how people are working in the current organization and what is the current trend. And if you want to check more about me, you can go ahead and check in the LinkedIn profile. So please go ahead and check in the LinkedIn profile that you might have already known. But I will also, since this meeting is already getting recorded, I will also try to post this in the YouTube channel, and that will be shared only to the members who joined this meeting. It will not be for everyone. Okay. And let's see. So who should attend this training? So straight into the point. Members who are failing for the coding interviews, you might have already have 1 to 2 years of experience in different .NET or Java, but when you're going into UiPath, you know the basics. You just know the basics, but when it comes to the project, that's when you're not able to crack it. Then this is definitely for you. And people who are who completed their initial training programs like academy basic training program, but you don't know how to work in the project, this is for you. Members who are not able to clear first round of technical interviews, or even the mock interviews or mock tests, or any kind of developer tests, so this is definitely for you if you're not able to clear them. So if you want to get trained for the certifications, yes, this is for you. And if you want to fetch an RPA developer job, not only RPA developer job, if you ask me, people who are already managers who have 19 to 18 years of experience, so why they also joined, and I asked the reason why do they need to join this training session, and what is that interest that they have to join this training session. So one answer that I heard is they are into managerial roles. They know the technology. They want to know the technology. If there is a client who is asking them if this tool or if this particular process can be automated, then they are not able to answer depending upon the use case, and then they still need to rely on some external vendors or some external consultants. So I don't want that to happen for you. If you are a manager, and if you are a team lead, and if you are even a developer, so we will be covering all the project scenarios. So we will be doing in an excellent work for the next 30 days. So let's see with UiPath what are the components that we are going to cover. We are going to cover Studio because we cannot have the enterprise live version. We will be using mostly the community version. But we will start with project initiation stage. We will see what is a project requirement and how to work or create a task capture, how to write a PDD, how to write an SDD, how to get the approvals, and how to start working on the code, how to start that project. Okay, should it be like starting a create a workflow, or is there any other way how we can create project in an actual enterprise environment? It, how can we maintain the repo within the organization? Because when we are working around, when we are working along with other developers, we need to have that project environment, and we need to have that integration setup. We need to have that code repo setup. So how the issues are getting placed, and how can we resolve the bugs, and how the project can be tracked. So all these things will be covered. And the last point is with the industry expert talks. It depends upon the requirement, and if we are able to complete all our programs or all our trainings within the estimated time, then we are good with any other industry expert sessions if required. The next one would be week one project. We will be covering. So as I have said, we are working only on the project. So every project will be only in RE framework, not in any other tool, because that is the standard that all the enterprises follow, and I want to follow the same thing, and I want to give you the training on the same environment. Um, so initially we'll start with the basics, maybe some UI interactions, and we will see why I'm saying UI interactions is the starting point is if we go all together at a complex, very complex project, that initial understanding of how to create and structure the project you will not understand. So we'll first understand what is the structure, then we will go to the expert levels in the upcoming weeks. So basic exception handling, creating reports, send over emails. This is the basic small projects that we can start in the first week. Second week, we will add one step ahead. We will add multiple application interaction, and we will see how we can automate with a web application and desktop application and a console application, or if there is a legacy application, how we can do that. There are already tools available, so I will just try to enable you, and I will make them into one bulk, and I will give it to you and how to work with them. The third week, we will be working on JSONs and APIs. And if you already know what is JSON, see why people will get to learn UiPath and RPA is, and first thing, understanding that it's an easy concept to learn, and there are more opportunities. And should I work on that particular platform? Yes, you can definitely work on and grab a job. And how much time will it take? So this 1 month will not be able to fetch you if you started it just now. But if you are willing to practice for hours, and if you are willing to complete the training as well as complete the project that I have given you, then this 1 month will definitely be sufficient for you to complete or get the job opportunity. The main reason is once you practice the first week program and second week program, the third week and fourth week will be some programs that you need to work on, and I'll be a guide for you. Okay, so that guide is what I'm going to be for you, and I'll guide you on how you need to work on with the projects. So if you don't know what is JSON structure, and if you're getting questions on them, so those will be covered. And if you're getting questions like how can you filter a data table, so all these things will be covered basically on the first week or the second week. But the next 2 weeks is what some work that you need to do so that I can guide you. And if you are feeling that there is something that we need to concentrate more on, that's when we will use the third and fourth weeks. And the fourth weeks is one use case that I will give you that will be on a enterprise level, that will have 2 to 3 applications, and you need to create complete logs, complete. You need to deploy the projects into multiple machines. You need to see how the executions are working on, and you need to raise bugs. You need to solve and resolve the bugs. So all these activities will be covered on all the weeks. It's not only 1 week. It will be on all the weeks. The first and second week I'll be uh, handholding you to work on the activities, but third week and fourth week I'll guide you. And if you are making mistakes, then you obviously have your team members, and you will obviously have your team lead and team managers who can work with you and who can solve your requirements. Well, what are the common activities in all the projects? PDD creation, solution creation, unit testing, and if I write if I write a XML code, how can I test it? And what is the solution integration? For example, if there is a project and four members work on uh, four different XMLs or four different workflows, and how can you integrate that if you are a team lead, and how can you integrate that? And that's solution integration and testing and solution deployment in different machines. So we will be using it can be you who will be a production owner, and your machine will be, or your environment will be used as a production environment, and you need to handle on all the client machines that can be your teammates. Solution design document at the end of the program, or at the end of each and every activity, or at the end of each and every project, we need to design a solution and we need to give it to the clients. So how are we going to use that solution design, and how are we going to create that solution design, and how we need to give it to clients? So these things will be covered. So I will take a pause and I will ask for any questions. Do you have any questions? Please go ahead and ask.
Yeah, hi. Hello.
Yes, it's Vashita T,
Yeah,
but I
actually,
hope it's
sorry.
not Vashita.
Sorry for the name change. It was
Sure. What's your
actually
name?
every day. My name is Raju.
Hi, Raju. Tell me.
Yeah, yeah. So this course will be for every day from 12 to 1 or only on the weekend?
Okay, I will answer that question later. Any other question?
So I have a few questions regarding the RE framework.
Mhm. Okay.
So so on the RE framework, I've created one project.
Mhm.
There was one question which was being asked in interview, like
Mhm.
in get transaction state, if we get a system exception, what should we do? I was just confused because do we have any such exception in get transaction state? No, right?
Yeah, we have it.
In no, we have in process transaction. Na get transaction state, we get the items from the queues, right? So
Yes.
there will be not any system exception.
System exception is any exception that can come in before process state. So yeah, so that will be covered as well, and that's a simple concept. It will directly move into end process state.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for that question, but let's go with the next slide. Any other questions?
No, no, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello. Hi, Bajrang.
Preeti. Hi,
Good
Preeti.
afternoon. Yes, yes. This is Preeti. You can hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Okay. So I had a question that will you be covering database topics as well, like how to establish connection and all those things?
Okay, so database topics and all is like activities alone. So in the projects, we will be covering them, but we will not have complete session only on database activities. That's not required.
Okay.
Hi, Vijay. Vikas here.
Because
Thank
hi.
you.
Yeah, okay. Tell me, because
Yeah, a very generic question. This only you are covering only UiPath tool, or you are talking about RPA?
only UiPath 2.
Means
Only
okay.
UiPath. Okay, so because since I know that you already have experience in UiPath, I will also talk one-on-one with all the members who join this training program, and I will see what is your current expertise. And again, the seats are limited. I cannot allow everyone to the training session, because since this is a closed training session, if I give an entry for everyone, I cannot target on specific people who need who can get benefit for this training session. So it will be limited again. Okay.
Yeah,
So stay till the end so that I can send you the invite for the payment as well as for the complete registration. So the first one is to get the info from you, but the next form that you need to fill is to get complete details.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. So let's continue. So what are the generic questions that we have? Will you have a recording session for these training sessions? Yes, we will be having recording sessions, but seriously suggest you not to go with recording sessions. The main reason being the program concept is to interact with everyone. The program concept is to talk to everyone and to understand that this is the team who are actually looking for. And if there are 40 members who are like-minded people who are working on one single activity and who are trying to get opportunities, then the reach will be much more higher. See, what is the difference between my training program and UiPath general training programs? There will be 200 to 300 members who will be working or who will be attending. All they all that can happen at a large scale is they can just give you a lecture, and it completely depends upon you to learn and know to not to learn. But when we are having such closed session, and when we know people each other, when we know how what the next person whom you are working somewhere around the world, maybe somewhere in New York, can work with you, then that's when you can work as a team, and that's when you can understand that this is the way how you can work in a team. So attend to the training sessions is what I sincerely suggest. But at a point when you're not able to attend the session, all the sessions will be recorded and it will be separately sent to you over YouTube, and that will be on a private share, and only your email ID can access it if you are already listed. Okay. The next one is, can I complete certifications? Yes, you can complete certifications based on the training. What I suggest you is, when we are going through the training, I also suggest you to start working on the academy. I will give you the academy links to start and to complete. All the members who attended the training sessions have already completed all the training sessions. So what this will do is, you will be able to relate if you are working on the projects. You will be able to relate, okay, this is the concept that I need to use in this project, this is the concept that I need to use on other project. So you'll be able to relate this, because that relation you cannot have it if you're not working in the project directly. And that all the three are free courses, and you can take it for free, and you can self learn. So these I'm not going to cover because they are already available for free for you. Why should you pay amount for me to get this training? That's not required. But this is what I suggest you to do, because it will help you to cover the projects as well. Next one, can you complete the advanced training program or advanced certifications that are paid? So associate certification is around 10,000, and advanced certification is around 15,000. By the way, I am a UI ERT certified professional, so I know what at what level the certification will be. It will be tough, and it will be project-based scenarios. It will be on how to work with RE framework, and exclusively 70% of the 70% of the code questions will be on, or 50% at least will be on RE framework. The next will be on project structuring, and they will be asking you about links and queries. So advanced for to complete advanced, you need to have you should have completed all the 4 projects exclusively by yourself without any help. Then you will be able to complete the advanced training. But I can definitely say that associate will be easier for you after this training. Certificate for this course, yes, you might have seen some certifications in my profile. So you can get a certificate, and if you are not interested to show about the training program, maybe due to you're already working and you don't want others to know that you're already want to change, have a job change and all, I do respect it. And that's on one-on-one basis. That's an understanding between you and me. So other than the training program, what other free add-ons that I'm giving to you? I'm helping you with the resume creation and correction. Okay, and each and every person who will be joining the training will be attending mock interviews with me and with all the team members. So someone can be an interviewer, someone can be an interviewee. So any question that you find, you can ask it to the team members. So that will be a part of this training program. And job reference support again. So this is the place where I see most of the people leaving the team's meeting. But yes, I need to give it for you for sure. I am not providing any job support, or I am not giving you any jobs here. Please keep that in understanding, because that's not how this training works. But what I'm trying to make here is, if you are going for an interview, I am trying to make sure that you can crack the interview. That's what I'm giving you in this particular training program. So nothing comes for free, and this training program, the job also not comes for free. That will still require your hard work, but that hard work needs some guidance. That guidance is what you're getting from me. Okay. And if the achievements of the last team and the previous teams, please go ahead into GitHub. All the programs that all the team members right now working with me are in GitHub, open to everyone to see. So you can just, and this will be you will be a part of this training program, and you will be also working in the same GitHub repo, where you will be working on RPA developer in 30 days repo, and you need to commit the code, you need to write issues, you need to raise the bugs, and you need other members to work on the same repo. So that's how your collaboration need to be done. And these so close to 150 plus, but now it's around 180 plus issues, commits, and bugs pull requests are created by the team members in the GitHub altogether. So see the extensive level of people who are interacting with the GitHub repo. So please check with the project. You can go ahead and check in the GitHub directly and see how many pull requests are being made and how many active issues are available, and see how many collaborators. You can be the top collaborator by this by the end of this training session. So all these things is what you can go ahead and check. So the important part of the meeting is with the course fees. Now, I normally ask everyone in the program who attended this meeting. This is what I'll do every time. So I will ask you, with all the course I have explained to you, what can be the market fees that you are expecting? Like generally, if you go to a training program externally, what is the market price that you have seen? Can anyone tell?
I
Akash,
think
Uzol,
nearly 9 to 10,000.
9 to 10,000, 9 to 10,000. Okay, I'll take it as 10,000. Okay. Any others? Because if you are working with projects, 10,000 is definitely not what you are seeing. You might have seen some basic activities, and people giving you only the training on how to work with activities in 10,000. Definitely, I can make sure.
Yeah, for that only the basic activities which is there in your app, so they will train that only.
Yes, but they will not cover any projects.
Yeah.
Yes. So, frankly speaking, if you are going with the projects, the market price right now is 45,000 to yeah, this is 45,000 to 60,000. If you are going with a UiPath Academy Alliance partner, it's 60,000 closely. It will be for a period of 1 month or 2 months, and they will interact you once a week, and you need to work. And that's the 1 week program, and that's what you will get. Okay, so 10,000 I have already taken. Any other prices? I haven't committed the price yet. 39,999. Oh, that's a sweet figure. So let's keep it to 14,000. Okay. Yes. You can also chat if you ask me. I have questions. If you can ask me questions, then it would be great. If you don't want to, okay. Rekha said 25K. Yes, Rekha, that's also in the price range. I have seen some training programs that are at a price range of 25. So thank you so much for bringing that up. Okay. 15,000. Okay, that comes.
Bajrang, I want
Yes.
to comment on it,
Yes, comment
if
on
you
it,
allow me.
please. Yes, please.
Yeah, so how you have talked in the whole 30-40 minute session,
Mm.
the important thing which I say as a slight experience one is you are not just making a developer, you are trying to give a person that much knowledge from development to unit testing
Yes.
to system administration,
Yes.
where you talked about end-to-end solutions.
Yes.
So basically in UiPath also there are multiple roles, and I
Exactly.
think so you are covering everything. But if people are talking about the cost in just thinking as a developer,
Mm.
then that would not be a justice. Sorry to say that.
Yes. So this is not just a developer training course. Thank you so much for bringing that, Vikas. Yes. Okay, 19,000 in Edureka. Excellent. Okay. So I will also tell you why I started this program again. So there are 100 job opportunities, and there are only 20 members who are getting jobs, and they are getting lakhs and lakhs of packages, and they are getting very good hikes because they have the experience, and they were able to answer, and they were able to showcase the experience. So that experience is what I'm going to give you. And yes, that experience cost, it should not be more. I seriously feel that it should not be more. And I am not a corporate trainer. I am a developer and a solution architect. I know the pain of taking this course at a such high price. And so this again, I'm doing it for the community, not to gain or to not for my earning. So okay, so this course I'll be giving you only for 7,777 rupees. Any questions after this?
Hi, Bajrang.
Yes.
Mridul this side.
Yes.
Just wanted to confirm this program is designed for only like those who have the basic knowledge and already are a developer, not for the one who actually want to train in the UI part only. Like they do not have any basic knowledge and
No,
knowledge about it.
not like that. So when I say basic knowledge, like if you are good with writing, like if you know already some basic conditions, like if else conditions, I cannot train you how to write an if condition. I cannot train you how to write a while condition. I cannot train you how to write a for condition, for loop. Okay, so that I cannot train you here. But if you already have some bit of coding knowledge, and if you are in your college itself, if you already know how to write some logic, so you can definitely join the training program.
Okay, so basically this program is designed to polish the skill and upskills in the same.
Exactly. So that's the same reason why I want to enable it for everyone. I cannot target it only for the professionals who are earning very well. They just want to get a hike. I don't want that. I want each and everyone to get to the next opportunity. And I want to see that. I want to see that post that, okay, Bajrang, I got an opportunity because of this training. I want to see that post. That's more important than this price for me. Okay, Shankar is asking, are you going to cover Action Center process mining and task mining? So Shankar, those Action Center process mining can be covered. That cannot be a complete project. So in a project that can be a part, Action Center and project mining. So if we are having enough time, we can do that. But again, we need to cover the important points first, because Action Center process mining we'll cover for sure, and task mining we'll also cover because that's the first activity, and we need to use task capture for it, UiPath task capture for it. Only Action Center, that cannot be a complete project, that can be only a part of a project. Shankar. Okay, so if you are having any questions, please chat in, or you can also talk to me.
Hi, Vajra.
Yes,
May I
sure.
know after training,
Hmm.
for what are roles we can proceed further? For example, like a 1D developer or senior developer
Okay.
or a solution architect.
So if you are already leading some team, you can go as a lead, as an RPA lead, or as an RPA manager, because you know how to work on projects and how to work on the teams. You will be able to directly go ahead as a manager if you already have a experience as a manager. You need not go as a developer. So while working in the program, also I will guide you which platform and what experience you need to put to get into the RPA role. So if you are already having a 16 years of 18 years of experience, at least 10 years of experience, it would not be fair to go as a junior developer as an RPA developer. It would be good if you go as a senior developer, as a lead. That would be the best option. So that's what you are going to get.
Okay. And what is the duration?
Okay, yes, I will tell that. So yes, SAP, Citrix, mainframe automation will be covered. SAP, Citrix, and mainframe automation are comes under basic recording and basic training sessions. At least small use cases. Yes, we will be working with some. We can work with some image automations and all, but we don't have environments like SAP. But one thing I can say you, I can guide you on how to answer the questions if you are asked regarding SAP, Citrix, and mainframe automations. So they will not ask you to work on even in the questions. They will not ask you like they will not give you a mainframe application to work in the interview. That will be done in the project. So, but in the interview, you need to answer how can you work on them. So that I can give it for you. And document understanding will not be covered. Sorry, that's again a different concept. And if you are covering most of the things within 1 month, then I think we cannot concentrate on the actual part of the training program. Okay. So any other questions, Shankar? We'll be covering very big use cases, Shankar, not small use cases. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for staying it till this long. And can everyone? Okay, I'll send the details for everyone. But yes, I'm going to stop the screen share. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. So if silence means none of you have questions, and I hope
I have.
I explained it very well. Yeah, please go ahead because
Vajrang,
yes.
you said the seats are limited and the
Mm,
scope of the training is
mm,
slightly limited.
yes.
So, what do you just can you explore on that?
So
See,
why?
my intention
Yeah, tell me.
let me be very open to whole team. My intention is to just keep brushing myself
Mm.
into the technology. I've been not 100%, but I've been associated, I will call last 3 years, 4 years,
Mm.
at least 30 to 40% in my day-to-day activity
Exactly.
with UiPath. And
Okay.
UiPath is, when it is started with a small company,
Mm.
now they have a huge amount of things, and it's quite difficult for me as a professional
Yeah.
to keep updating myself daily. But
Mm.
these sessions sometimes is just very helpful, and small issues which you keep on helping me.
Mm.
I appreciate on that term. A very foolish issues which you face suddenly, an activity is missing or something is missing. uh, Without these forums or things, you can't able to deliver the quality into your organization or project, wherever you are.
Yes.
My intention is to be part of the journey at a dedicated time and try to brush up myself with the latest, because once you will be taking, you will be, and other members will be coming up with some questions
Mm.
which technically um, I was have never handled it.
Exactly. So yes, so when you are working in the team, that's what will happen, because the questions that you don't have, others will have, is what you will going to learn along with the other team members as well. So that's what will help you in the group training sessions. So you will not be alone. You will be working with all the other team members. Yes, I'm going to tell you what the schedule and everything. So the schedule will be from morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. The main reason that I have picked this timing is we'll be working with cross team members with cross regions, and we need to work with the US. We need to work with London sometimes and Canada sometimes. So your team member can be working from Canada. So that's the reason I have picked this timing, and that will be a sweet spot for this training program. That's what I'm doing it for the past 4 months or 5 months. And from 8 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. in the morning is the daily timing session, and it will be conducted on daily basis except for the weekends. So 5 days a week. Yes, IST is the IST timing, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Vajran, this course contains only 1 month.
Yes, this is a 1 month training program.
Okay. So in this 1 month, just we are working on only weekdays.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So why did I check again for not for the weekends is, see, when you are working consistently for daily 1 hour, the output will be more than you work only on the weekends for 5 hours. Then the consistency will not be there and the productivity will be much more lesser. But if you are consistently working for 1 month or for daily 1 hour, then you will have more productivity. That's what I have observed with my experience, and that actually turned out to be true. So that's the reason it will be 1 hour per day daily. Any other questions?
Hi Vazrin, good noon. Praveen this side.
Praveen, hi Praveen.
Yeah, I started learning UiPath from the past 2 to 3 months.
Yes, orchestrator will be covered, Shankar. Yeah, tell me, Praveen.
So basically, I am from Java background, but I
Okay,
currently working in some support project from the past 2 years in an
okay,
MNC.
okay.
So UiPath is completely built on VB.NET, right?
No, it's built on .NET, so it now supports C Sharp as well, and it's becoming cross-platform. That makes your bots to run on your Windows as well as Git, Ubuntu, Linux, and I think they are also trying to integrate with Mac, but not soon. They will. They took the first step of adding that value, uh, the cross-platform.
My question is that whenever we have to use some other methods like VB.NET methods or C Sharp methods, I was facing a little bit challenges. So how do you suggest me to overcome this situation?
So again, see, the problem you will face is when there is already a code written. See, code is written on internet, it's available for you. All you need is you need to convert that code and keep it in UiPath activities. That you will be able to do it in the first week itself. Okay, so that will not be a problem, Praveen. Once you
So if I
once you understand the logic, it will be easier for you. That will be trained.
Okay, apart from that, do I need to learn VB.NET again or any C Sharp or .NET from your point of view?
Uh, if you already are working as a Java developer and if you know already Java, then I don't suggest to work again and come back. You can continue. So again, the code which you write will be very less, if you ask me.
Okay, Vajrang, thank you.
Yes. So someone
Hello, sir.
created a Jamboard. Who's that? Karma. I'm not sure.
Hello.
Yes, Pradeep. Yeah, Pradeep. You can share the screen. And yeah, who's asking? Amar. Amar, tell me.
Languages are important for UI.
Which language?
We Python or some
So,
other.
are you aware of any programming language, Amar?
No, sir. Only for Python as basic knowledge of Python.
That should be enough, Amar.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, how can you check if two values? I have two values. If one value is greater than the other value, how will you check in code Python? Amar? Okay, Amar was on mute. So yeah, if you have basic coding knowledge, that should be enough. Okay. Akash, thank you so much, Akash. Any other questions, please? Because we'll be on time and we'll close our sessions on time so that you can continue and work with other activities as well. So please go ahead and ask.
Vajrang, for this session for in weekdays, what is the timing?
8 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning.
For India, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Yes, correct. It's Indian Standard Time, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. because that will also cover Canada timing as well as New York timing, and that will be their evenings timing. So that's the sweet spot.
So here not only our India's, a couple of countries also joining.
Yes, correct. And in the morning, 8 o'clock, we actually had a call, and members from different countries joined because it will be very early for us, and this is the first session. I actually created it in the afternoon, but actually it will be in the morning.
Okay, from 8 to 9 a.m.
8 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So what will the team size? Depends on, it will be maximum 5-member team. But again, if there are members who want to work in 3-member team, and if they want to work alone, it's flexible. Again, if you want to work in a team, that's how the team works. I cannot push you to work in a team. Yes, team. I will give you a Teams channel where it will be Microsoft Teams. So you need to, everyone will have a profile created, and you need to communicate and you need to collaborate in Teams channel. And a WhatsApp group will be created. But initially for the admin who will send, I will send a messages as an update. But once we are good with the team size and team is stabilized, then I will give you access to everyone to comment and chat. And the teams will be available from the day one for everyone. So Nani is saying is mandatory to learn document understanding. It's mandatory is not what I would say. It's good to have an understanding, but you can have it as a parallel project while working in the team projects that we are working on. Nani, because if you don't have the project understanding and the team structuring, though you know document understanding, then it will be tough for you to answer those questions and how exactly can you work on. Weekend class timings, yes, there are only 5 days a week, so no weekend timings. But if there is any requirement, we can work on Saturdays only, again on the same timing of from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I don't want you to work on weekends as well. So this will be a project. The project will be covering training that will be target oriented or until we finish. It will be target oriented till you finish. You need to complete the project. Vajrang, please cover some repeated activities in UiPath. Yes, we will be covering repeated activities, and we will be covering all the interview questions as well. In that, most of the questions will be answered. Sir, I'm having a 2001 pass out. I'm new to RPA. Will be yes, yeah, of course, Sushant. You will definitely be able to take the training program. Please go ahead, and if you're going with the project knowledge into the market, you will grab on to the best opportunity or best pay scale that you can get, because you will be ahead of all the team members, all the members who are competing with you against that particular job application. Is the training Monday to Friday? Yes, it will be from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. in the morning. Only 1 hour session daily. Any other questions?
Do we have some lessons structure, which date, what topics we are covering?
I have given you, right? It will be on the basics of projects. So if I give you a project, that will be on the project. So if I give you a project, you need to work on the project. It cannot be like, okay, there will be an if activity for today and there will be a orchestrated activities for today. A project cannot contain only a if activity or a project activity, orchestrated activities. For a project, you need to deploy it completely till the end. So you need to complete everything.
Sir, actually, I don't have any knowledge, basic knowledge in UiPath. So, can I join this course?
So what kind of experience do you have, Ritu? Already?
I have other teaching experience. I have a 6 year teaching experience, but I have a knowledge, a little bit of knowledge of C and C++. So, can I? This is good for me to join this UiPath.
Okay, if you are willing to upscale yourself, so grabbing frankly speaking, grabbing an opportunity for you, having placing yourself in a teaching position is not something that that normally you will get. But what I can suggest is you can be a trainer in RPA, so you can leverage that skill.
Okay, okay.
So once you
So,
understand the concepts, you can be a trainer once you have some projects. You already
but
have
right now I don't have any basic knowledge of UiPath and RPA. So
jump in and
can
join.
I?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you need to spend some extra efforts. If you are able to spend some extra efforts apart from the training program, yes, you can do that.
So sir, 1 month would be sufficient
Yes.
for learning of
Yes.
UiPath
Yes.
for me?
Yes. Yes. Sufficient.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
So any other questions? Okay, I don't have technical field experience, but I have learned UiPath RPA from previous organizations. If I'm able to join training sessions, what job opportunities for me? Pradeep, we need to see your resume. We need to see how did you structure your resume, uh, and then we need to comment on that, Pradeep. I cannot say that you can go directly as a team lead or a developer. Let's check in your with your resume, and then we can go ahead. Okay. And if you have any questions, uh, then please ping me to my mobile number. I hope my assistant have sent every one of you a message. Sorry, but initially it was sent as November 31st, but actually that was October 31st. Later I updated it. But if you have any questions, you can directly ping me over WhatsApp. Okay, so I am sending you the payment confirmation link as well. So please go ahead and check it out. And please do confirm your payment as fast as possible, and the last day to complete the payment is only till Monday. The main reason is Monday we need to start by the end of today. If we are able to complete all the team members and if we are able to figure out whoever pays it, then we can start on Monday. So again, there are even if there is one person, I will complete the training. It's not that there is only or if there are only 10 persons, I will postpone this training for the next batch. That will not happen. Even if there is one person, I'll complete the training. This is again for the community that I'm doing it, not for my earning. Please keep that in mind and please try to leverage, because this kind of training you will not get it anywhere. It's from the experience for the previous members, and you must have already seen the results in the LinkedIn post, as well as you must have already seen the results in the feedbacks that are posted in chat and that are posted in LinkedIn. Okay, so try to complete the payment as fast as possible, and I'm sharing you the payment link, and I will also try to share you with the link along with this demo session in the emails that you have registered for. So please take it forward and send. Please, can you send me the PPT? So Nani's PPT will not be sent, but that that PPT is in the video, and that's shared, so you can check with that, Nani. So if you are from any other location other than India, so don't make Google Pay payments. Please ping me, then we can discuss on how the payment should be made. Okay, so there is already a Team 3 demo, but actually for Team 3, the price was 9,000. So, and it was for the experienced professionals, and I want it to be for the general public as well. So that's the reason I have changed it or reduced it. So take this opportunity and try to complete the payment, and it will not be reduced further, frankly speaking. Okay. And you also need to understand that it's my time that I'm giving you, and you need to have some respect on my time as well, because at the same time I can earn more if I'm going for a separate project, but it's for the community and it's for you that I'm doing. So please go ahead and take it up. Recording sessions will be available, right? Yes, it will be available, and it will be separately for members who joined and joined the training program. Shankar. Okay, we are having only 4 more minutes, so please go ahead and ask any other questions you have, or else we can conclude our training. We can conclude our training session for today. I have a foundation course certificate from UI Path Academy. Is this course will be helpful to get advanced certificate? Yes, it will be helpful for you to get advanced certificate. And again, the training will be agile. There is no only this topics that I will cover. If you bring in a topic that you need to be covered, it will be covered. Don't worry on that. I have enough experience to cover all the topics. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, I hope there are no more questions. I'll stay on the call for next 4 minutes. If you have any questions, just place it in the chat, or else you can also talk to me. Thank
Hi,
you.
Bajrang. Dheeraj here. Hi, Bajrang.
Yes, Dheeraj, tell me.
Bajrang, actually, I was learning. I have been to the IT industry for a long, like 2 years, from last 2 years, and I'm learning this UiPath from past 6 months. So I have built like 2, 3 robots. I have knowledge about like how to build up a robot and how to like publish to the orchestrator, but not like an industrial level.
Okay.
Okay. If I go on for an interviewer and tell that I have experience about like 8 months or 6 months, so they need to know that if I know how to deploy them and what's the next step. So I failed to that point of view.
That will be covered, and after completing this program, you can treat yourself as a 2 years experienced professional who completed 20 to 30 projects.
If it is possible, I can share you my resume as well, so that
No,
you can
each and every person who completes who joins the training program, every resume will be checked, and every input will be given to make your resume standardized.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj. Hope to see you in the training. Okay, there are 2 more minutes. People are waiting so that others can ask their questions that they don't ask.
Vajra, so we will be having like a training session from tomorrow onwards as well, or like you are saying from Monday, this Monday or next Monday?
It should be from this Monday, because it should be 30-day training program. So by end of this month, you should be certified.
Okay, thank you.
We will be covering 4 projects, and all the 4 projects will be on RE framework, and it will be at an industry level. So don't worry on the project level. On projects, that's my part. I'll definitely take the project, so that you will definitely get a better experience than what you definitely have it now. Akash. Thank you so much, Havar. Thank you so much, Nani. Thank you, Shankar. Okay, in the last 1 minute, I would like to thank everyone for staying this long and waiting for all the training demo to be completed. And I suggest each and everyone to take the opportunity. Don't wait 1 more month to wait and see, because program is already proven, and you need to go ahead and grab that opportunity. Is what I would like to say. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for your patience and for your time. Thank you for being lovely audience, and thank you for being a future team members of my team, and wish you all the best. Even if you join, and even if you don't join, always I will be available, and my LinkedIn mobile number and my YouTube channel will be available for free for everyone. So please go ahead and check them out. That will be very helpful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thanks, Vajra.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.